it's Gigi Jones here, and today I have a wig review for you. And today I am going to be doing a review on the Chia. Yes, by Royal Swiss Lace. And the color that I have is SOM RT 30/33. And where is she? There she is, waiting to be reviewed. All right. So any further, I just want to go ahead and ask you to comment, like, and share this video, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel. All right, let's get started with this wig review on the Chia. Stay tuned. A little bit more information on the Royal Swiss Lace Chia. It is in 14-inch. It has a deep and wide pre-tweezed part, soft and natural. Just reading it straight from the card. Now we're going to see if it's all of that, okay? Again, it is the SOM RT 3033 color. And let's go ahead and see what it's all about. I love the color. Very pretty color. It is soft. Yes, it's soft. Shedding. No shedding. Oh, wait a minute. What is that? No shedding. All right. Very good. It is lightweight. Or at least it feels lightweight to me. Although it's on the wig stand. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look at the construction of this wig. It is a lace front. Look at the part. You can tell that it has been pre-tweezed. Here. 2 combs on the side, front side. And the bottom does have the adjustable straps and the comb in the middle and the back. So let's try the Chia in 14-inch on. I like. Yeah, I like this. So far, so good. Yes. I may not wear her as an everyday wig, but definitely for, you know, hey, I'm hanging out with friends. Yeah, me and my honey bun going out for dinner. I can see this, most definitely. All right, I'm going to go cut the lace, but let me show you the side. The back. I really normally like my parts on the other side, but I can work with this. All right, this is my left side. And the left back. All right. Yeah, I got to shake for you. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm going to cut the lace. Okay, so I love this color. First and foremost, that's like what stands out the most for me with this wig is this color. And again, this color is SOM RT 3033. Y'all to see that. Yeah. The wig came in this box by Royal Swiss Lace, pre-tweezed part. All right. And it does let you know right up front that it is pre-tweezed, right? And that it is deep and wide and soft and natural. Let me send it here. So they send it well packaged. All right, so It was easy putting on. It was stretchy. Then again, it does have the adjustable straps. The part is good. Yeah, it's really defined. It's really defined, and I will have to. Usually, okay, so this is what I usually do for the parts. I usually just use like the eyebrow pencil, kind of fill it in, or I use and basically I don't wear my makeup. The extent of my makeup is eyebrow pencil because I have half of eyebrows, and like they stop right here. So I have to fill the rest in with the eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, sometimes mascara, lip gloss, and sometimes eyeshadow. But so like foundation and all of that, I don't do all of that. However, for this part, I will be using some pressed powder. And it's very defined, as you can see, and not my skin tone, a little pale. But overall, I like this wig. I like the color. I like the feel. It's not tangled. You know, a lot of times when you get wigs and they have some length to it, they tangle easily, but I'm not having that with this right off the bat anyway. We'll see how it is in a couple of months or after a couple of wears, But I like it. Right, so that's going to do it for this wig review. For the Royal Swiss Lace Chia 14 inches, I give it a thumbs up. Yes, I do. All right, so I hope you all have a wonderfully blessed day, and I will see you at the next wig review. Bye-bye, y'all. This video has been brought to you by GiGi's Jewelry Boutique, where fun, fabulous fashion is affordable.